Okay, so today we're going to graph some coordinate pairs and we're going to do a little Thanksgiving activity with this. So I'm just going to explain how you need to plot a point, connect the points, and then complete the picture. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drag the point. Here's your point that you're going to be dragging over. The X, that's going to be in these boxes so that you don't forget which point you've already graphed. And then we're going to connect those points according to the colors here on the lines. So the first one is brown. So every point that we connect here together is going to be with the brown line. This is orange, and this one is gray. So I'm going to do the first one. So the first one is -6, 5. So I'm going to pick up my dot, and I'm going to drag it over, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where I would put my point. Okay, and then just click off of the picture itself so that it releases. Now I'm going to go over and pick up my X, and I'm going to put it up here right on the coordinate pair and click someplace off just so that way you release the cross. And the next one is -6, 6. So I'm going to pick up the point again and I'm going to come over. Now I know that this is -6 because that was the previous point we just did. And I'm going to go right up to the 6. Click somewhere off of the picture, and there are the 2 points. Now you need to connect the points each time that you put them on. So cross, let's take that and put it over here because I've got that one already done. Now these points here have to be connected by a brown line. So I'm going to now come pick up my brown line, and I'm going to bring it over, and I'm going to connect these 2 points. Now they're really close together, so you are going to have to adjust that line. And you guys know it better than I do. Just pull that up and it'll connect the 2 points. Click somewhere off of the picture. So each time that you plot a point, you need to connect them as you go along. So when you go to connect the third point, you will connect that right after you plot it with the brown line. When you get to these points here, you're going to connect them with the orange line, and then these points here you will connect with the gray line.